going on? Tariq Alameen II, better known as T2. Getting ready for flight. We got Beast Boy back in action. Beast Boy back in action. About to go up to Ohio, deliver a few pallets. Quick little run again. Go over there, shake those off, and go back to Michigan. Pick up a load of bro, but then come on back tomorrow. This is the intro. Here at Alameen, we fuel up on the yard. Bow! We got the fuel tanks, we got the go-go juice in. Now we just gotta top off the def tank. Well, this is called a bubbler. I already topped it off. Bubbler system, it filters out the exhaust. That thing almost hit me in the head. So yeah, now we're all good, ready to rock and roll down the road. Go back over here, hook up, then book it. So we got unhooked the Freightliner from my trailer. Do this really quick. Put this back over there by the garage. Drop this wagon. Drop it real quick, unhooked it, grab this tab to record. Put you right there, brother. See? Sit you all right there. Perfect. Hook up. A little bit too high. Always pay attention to everybody. You don't ever want to overshoot that. So you just lower it. That way the pin is lined up with the fifth wheel over there. Should be good enough. A little more, a couple more cranks. All right, we're good. Back on up, attaching, let's wait. Ready to boogie. Put him down. Let's ride. About to pull out of the yard. Left the gate open. Perfect. Over there, big house on the woods. That's Boogie. Mud Duck Radio. Gotta go through the toll booth real quick. We're on the toll road, I guess, you know. Got a big Pete over here to our right, on our right hand side. This thing better register or we're gonna raise hell. Yes, you heard that right. HE double hockey sticks. Oh, brother. The gate went down. Come on, bruh. Register, please, please, please don't play with me right now. Why is it tripping right now, bro? And it's playing with me. And that big old paint right here. Now, we are 25 minutes away from our destination. Gotta go through this toll booth really quick. Big, big, big thumbs down to them. Whatever, I guess, you know. We don't like tolls. My money been money talking. Nah, nigga, you know what? My money been talking about money do dances. Shout out E for that one. No doubt. Oh, I could have made it, bruh. Come on, shawty. Get in gear. No doubt. All these tolls. I hate running the toll road, bruh. That'll set you back about 5 to 10 grand. What the hell? Ain't no joke out here on the toll road. They'll take all your money. No cap. All of it. I'm so serious. Highway robbery. Yeah, we're not too far. I've never been to this company before, so we'll see how it is when we get there. I was told it's a big facility, so won't have a problem bagging in. But just see once we get there, arrive, and see what they're talking about. What did he say? Cleveland! This is for you. Silly. We're in Cleveland right now. Cleveland. Who wants to go to Cleveland? I've never heard a family say they want to go to Cleveland. Shout out Joe King Law for that one. No lies told though. So what's there to do in Cleveland? I've never heard anybody say they want to take their family on vacation to Cleveland. Facts. Yeah, we're slipping and sliding through here, I guess. It's another one of those cities that I give a thumbs down to. I ain't gonna say too much, just thumbs down. Don't really like it. Just odd, just strange, just weird, you know? We got the city of Cleveland. We got the state of Michigan. What else? That's really it as of now. Yeah. Minutes away. Mighty long little bridge. Downtown Cleveland on our left-hand side. Getting off on the exit right now, gotta go slow around it. Slow down, buddy. We are just about here at our delivery. Right here, and then we will be arriving at our destination. We're gonna swing it wide. You get me? All the way wide. We got all the space in the world. Nobody's here, so use it. Warehouse number 1. Man, shawty, which one I'm supposed to be at? No girl. Do not block the driveway. Oh, brother, no worries. Check in, man. I don't know what type of operation is going on, but I'm bringing you guys with me. Alright? Alright. Turn my lights off too. There's a lot going on that I don't know. I don't know where I'm at. We're here. Let's go see what they're talking about. How you doing?
Pretty good. What you got for me?
Delivery, smart chicken.
Now back straight into that dock, okay?
Okay, yes sir. And then are you gonna come out to get the bills or?
No, there's a door. You know, the doorbell attached to it?
Yes sir.
Just ring that door and our receiver's will grab it.
Alright, thank you. So we just bag on in, the dock doors are right there. We bag it all the way down there, no problem. Yeah, so I'll just back up, hit it right here, then I'll just back straight in. Easy money, Check it out. Yeah, so I'm, like I said, I'm gonna just come up here, pull up here. That way I don't have to worry about jacking and doing all that stuff. So I'll pull up. I should have dumped the air on it. It's all good though, it's Gucci. We're good, brother, we're good, brother. No worries. Now just back up. Make it as easy as possible for yourself, ladies and gents. Bag it on up. Watch your surroundings. Oop. Slight little bump right there. Let's open the doors real quick, shall we? Lock the doors too, bro. Truck parking only, I respect it. They said bag straight in. Man, that, I ain't even gonna say it. I ain't even gonna say it, bro. This truck filthy though. We delivering some chicken to him. Easy straight back. He said bag straight into 11. So we're gonna bag into 11. Go check in. I get a cool thumbnail real quick. That way I don't forget. Only if the truck was clean, this would be fire, bro. This would definitely be. Yeah, this would have been a killer photo if I was clean, pressed out, tanks. Oh my God, juice on the tires, all that, that'd be fire. doors. What Keith say? Close that door. Okay. There we go. He's all done. Go to Brian, just like that, we are Gucci. Oh, now we just wait for him to come back, sign the bills and do all that good stuff, and then we're done. Easy peasy. And just like that, ooh! Shout out South Walker. Anyways, just like that, we got the paperwork in hand. Now we can go boogie on, boogie on, boogie on. Pick up this Grobel, but it ain't until later. So we have plenty of time. I'm gonna just go boogie on down there, get a nice park and go to sleep. You get me? We got the green machine. Let's boogie. Oh, turn the unit off, my boy. Let's boogie. Got the door shut. In and out is the name of the game that you like to play. Ugh. Watch that bump right there, my boy. Oh, cow. Leaving 2.5 to the next, which isn't bad at all. Come on, White. Watch those turns, brother. All in the fingers, shifting them gears, you get me? Watch the turn, swing it wide. Ugh. Put it back in the hot side. We good, we Gucci. Go. Let's ride. Slipping and sliding at the nighttime, the best time to ride. Minimal traffic. The only thing you might have to worry about is construction. Other than that, it's a cool breeze. Oh, brother, we're about to pull it over. Take it out. Here at the service plaza. Time to get some shut eye. him over here on the back side. It's the wrong one. Nah, yeah, different. He's at a different one. Rise and shine, amazing people. Had a great night's rest. Now we can go over here and get loaded. Get loaded, then we'll boogie back over to the yard. Pulling up to Grove. Oh, he's not at the door yet. Oh, Luis is here too. Oh, we're gonna have a man, there, Mr. Schwartz is gone already. I hate this entrance though. You really gotta swing it wide, you know. Fall in that ditch. Okay. Look. Turn. Got it. Mr. Luis. He in the back sleep, no doubt. That big pig. You're stupid. About to check in. Back at Grobel. Check in, see how long the wait is. Appreciate it. Well, ladies and gents, they finally gave us a door. 4. Turn that on. We need a wash. This is embarrassing. Look at that, filthy. Yep, 4. Drop my boat kid, bro. We got the wagon loaded. Let's go home. Let's grab these bills. The boogie's about to start raining again. Nonsense.
meeting right down here. Today is the 27th.
All right.
Sorry about the wait.
No problem. Let's boogie back to the yard. Come on. In front of us with that big old paint. Just about back at the yard. Still raining, still raining. Turn in, no cap. Ain't as busy right now, but trust and believe. It's about to get shaking around here.